Hey guys, so today I'm back with another. So if you guys were wondering why I have this talent, it's because I just got outside. Anyways, so today I'm going to be showing you guys my slime collection. All of these slimes. So yeah, I have some activator right here, just in case they're sticky, and this is the glue I was using. And they're glittery. These are all the glitter containers. So yeah. So let's get started. So the first one I'm going to show you guys is my purple glitters. My purple glitters. And yes guys, this is my room. So this is a purple glitter slime. I use purple glitter. It's really nice. It's not really pokey. It's okay, I love it because it's so glittery, kind of stretchy. So yeah, I had to go kind of fast because I have a lot of slime. So the next one is this slime. This is a clear purple slime. This one's really hard, so. And the beads fall out, so I'm gonna fix that too. Let's just put this one back. The next one I have is this green slime I made this one out of body wash and glue. I have a lot of tiny ones. So that's the green one. I really like this one. The next slime is this other green one. Yeah. This one's kind of this one's like really sluggish. Yeah, a lot of stuff. I made that out of glue and body wash. Same glue and body wash. This one, this is a blue one. It's my favorite. Let's count all my slimes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 slime. So this is the blue one. The blue one's stretchy. So that's what I love about this. So the tiny stretchy one. Clear. I can see you guys. So that's the blue one. Now, the next one I have is this yellow slime. It's with yellow glitter and green beads. This one feels kind of sandy because I added like the whole thing glitter. See? This was the yellow one. That's why it's so empty. This was the blue one, pink, and purple. So yeah, and this is the yellow one. The next one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16. Yeah, 16. The next one is this one I put in a fluff container. This one is this one right. This is my favorite. There's a lot. When I say a lot, I mean a lot of orange glitter in here to the point it changed the color. So we got this. Today I actually made all of these slimes except for this one, and the clear and purple paint. So that's orange. The next slime is this beautiful, clicky, really glittery slime. I love this one. I really love this one. This one's more like a jiggly one. Again, body wash and glue. So yeah, that's the pink one. I have another pink one. This one's a tiny pink one that I made earlier. This one's tiny, kind of stretchy, kind of not. I have 6 more slimes to go after this. So that's the little pink tiny one. These all feel really sandy, the ones with a lot of glitter. The next one I put in this water container. This is the yellow one. I'm just kidding, guys. This one's actually fart. Really hard, kind of stretchy. Smells disgusting like booty. Yeah, booty. It stinks. Fart. Slime is this crunchy pink one. This is the one I made today. This one is accidentally, I love this one so much, but the one I really love is the blue one that fell on the floor that I already showed you guys. Really crunchy, but some of the beads fell out. But that's okay. The next slime is another blue one. Is another blue one. Really glittery. Again, this one's hard. Some glue at the bottom. Ooh. Guys, let me whip off my camera. The blue one. The next one is this green crunchy one. I really like this one. I really do. The next one is this one. This one's a clear slime. So this one is a clear one. Let's show you guys. See, clear. That's that one. Now, the next one, the very last one, is this really light. When I say light, I mean really light. What's it called? Pink slime. It's a pink light slime. Pokey. Let's see if it stretches. Kinda. Let's keep stretching. And no, I'm not gonna be giving these slimes away to anybody at my school. So yeah, guys, that's the end of my video. Please comment down below what you guys would like me to do for the next video. Like I always say, I'll be back with more videos. Peace.